Okay, so you want to know how to write a killer YouTube video script to engage your audience, get them watching, keep them watching, and grow your channel? Well, my advice around this has changed over the years. So in this video, I'll be breaking down what I consider best practice for writing and structuring your YouTube videos for maximum engagement and retention. And if you pay attention to the end, I'll reveal a trick I'm demonstrating in this video. So see if you can pick it. G'day, I'm Amos from Engage Video Marketing, and on this channel I share tips, tricks and strategies to help you engage your ideal audience to action through online video. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and the bell to be notified of each new video when it comes out. Okay, so when it comes to writing a video script, it requires a different approach to a written blog or an article. You see, you've got limited attention spans online, and critically, you need to balance the idea of making an authentic connection with your audience along with giving them solid value too, whilst encouraging a healthy view duration or retention to keep your audience watching to the end, which YouTube loves. Are you ready? Let's break down the ideal structure. So first, you'll need to start with a hook, sometimes called a cold open. The hook is your opening few seconds critical to grabbing attention and keeping people watching. You'll want people to see your face right from the first frame too, not some fancy animated logo. Remember, people connect to people. Your hook needs to invoke interest, intrigue, or demand attention, so be creative. And importantly, ensure your hook is highly visual to allow for those that are watching with the sound off. You want to entice them to keep watching. An awesome tip here is to consider teasing some value that they'll get if they watch to the end so that you can get that high viewer retention. Following your hook, now's the time to include a quick branded intro sequence if you like, before giving your viewers a bit of an introduction to you and what they're going to learn in this video. Communicate what to expect, do it quickly, and then get to the guts of your information. Keep this part short and snappy. Remember, your viewer only cares about them, not you. So hurry up, get to the part where you give them what they want. Now, this is where the main points of your content should be communicated. You'll want to clarify and then expand upon the problem that your content will solve, and then spend about 5 or 6 sentences communicating your main points or your big ideas that you want to share in this video. Remember to keep your language humanized, relevant to your target audience, and don't spend too much time waffling on. Get to the point and communicate your ideas clearly. Next, you want to summarize the main points in your video in 1 or 2 sentences. Remind your viewer what they've just learnt and why it matters to them. It's also a good idea here to think about raising further questions that may move your audience to engage with you and your content further. Critically, I want you to do this summary within the last 20 seconds of your video, and consider making room in your frame for the YouTube end card. And finally, within the last 5 to 10 seconds, you need to end with a strong call to action. Tell people what you want them to do after watching the video. Click a link, share a comment, subscribe, whatever the action is, keep it simple. Make it clear where you want them to click by pointing or drawing their eye line in some way. The #1 best call to action here is to watch another video. So use the end card and your script effectively to encourage that. So that's it. 6 key steps to a killer video script: hook, intro, problem, solution, summary, call to action. You've got yourself a killer YouTube script. And if you want more tips and advice on video marketing to grow your business, be sure to subscribe and watch this video here next to learn more. Oh, and if you're wondering why the numbers on the bottom of the screen were there throughout this video, well, I've been using my own advice in this very script, and the numbers indicate which step I'm up to. So go ahead, watch the video back and see what I mean. I'll see you next time.